finger's broken, but it's okay.
I see you.
Hey, Thomas.
What do you use Rusty for?
Cut, 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 cut.
Hey, Thomas, who made you that wonderful toolbox?
Who's that?
Who made you that?
Papa made it.
Papa made
Here's
it.
the wrench. What do you use the wrench for? Hold on, I'm going to move it back over here. What do you use the wrench for?
And the red soup.
Remember?
Where's the orange then? Where's the orange?
It's behind of you.
Right here, orange wrench.
Hey, you.
What do you use the wrench for, remember?
You're welcome. Oh, yep. Turn.
Turn it. There you go.
Turn.
And use a brush. Right? Stir, stir. Spin, spin.
And then what do we use turner for? Tap. Okay. Tap it in. That's a good job. Make sure it's tight. There you go.
Hey, can you tell me who all the guys are? Who's the wrench? Rusty. Who's the hammer? Who's the screwdriver?
I got two for a cat.
You got two Pats. How lucky. Who's the screwdriver? Oh, it sounded busy, Mama.
It's all twins. I need hammer. Screws. That makes sense.
That makes sense.
Cut.
No, what tool do we use to cut?
Rusty.
No, Rusty's a turn. What do we use to cut? Is it the saw?
Oh! It's cut. Oh, keep trying.
Keep trying.
Keep fighting. Something's wrong.
Something's wrong.
It doesn't pull it.